Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, go ahead, click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Okay, so I thought since it's been a while, I would go ahead and kind of like revamp my cash envelopes and show you guys how I do it. These are actually from, this is how they come. This is from LittleMissFancyPlans.com. You guys know her here on YouTube as At Home with Keita. She does have a shop, but make sure you check them out. This is how it comes, and I actually had this laminated because I was going to see how it would work if I laminated it, but it's just going to be too thick to stick into here and try to make it work. So but yeah, this just gives me like a blank slate to try that on as well. I was thinking if I laminated it, then I wouldn't have to keep making them over and over again, but yeah, it's just too thick. So we're just gonna move that out the way. Here are the ones that I've already done. I've done groceries, gas, miscellaneous household, and personal care, and entertainment. So I'm just gonna set those right there. And the way that you do them, they come like this. You're just gonna fold them to the side, and then I take my washi next. Well, first you wanna take some double-sided tape and put this on the bottom part down here. And I love this one from Elmer's. While I'm saying that, watch it go out. But it's been going strong for a while, so it might be about time for me to get a new one, but I mean, this one has been really good. So then I just take it and press it down, okay? And then now I'm just going to add the washi, and excuse the print job. Like, I printed these off on a laser printer, and I don't know what was going on that day, but I guess it did not like it whatsoever. So I want to make sure the washi is going the right way, and I did it like this. Okay. So yeah, that's why some of the print, I was like, I'm not gonna reprint it because this is something that's probably gonna get messed up anyway. Ooh, I don't like how that's like bended. Okay. We gonna make things shake over here, okay? So I'm just trying to lay this washi down as straight as possible, which you saw how that did not work as well. But anyways, you just lay the washi on that side so that it sticks and it has somewhere to adhere to. So now you just have a pocket so you can stick your money down in. And then you just take your punch for the Happy Planner, and I'm using the classic size punch, and make sure it hits all the way, and boom, there we go. All right, so we have our cash envelopes. We can go ahead and start stuffing them now. Okay, did I put these upside down? I feel like I put these upside down, y'all. Okay, it's cool, it's cool. Okay, so I didn't write down in my budget planner any updates on the cash envelope, so that's what I was going to use this page in my budget planner for. And we were just going to write cash envelopes. Maybe I'll make a sticker next month. Okay, and right now we have our categories are groceries, gas, eating out, household, personal care, and entertainment. Okay. So because we just start, like, we're just doing this one in that month, I'm just gonna put $7.15 there, and I'll just keep, I know how much I'm using, like how much I'm putting in each envelope, but maybe I didn't actually use that much, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna do the same thing here to actually see what we're using and what we're not. So groceries start, and what we end with, and then plus or minus. And this could help me as far as making sure I put everything where it's supposed to be at. So for groceries, we're doing $150. So let's go ahead and put that in there too. So hopefully, and make sure I'm in frame, you guys. I don't want you guys to be like, oh, what is going on? Okay, so we have our groceries one, and we're just gonna put 150. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, and then a 10. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there for groceries. Oh, we are gonna put that in there, okay. And it just fits right in there, okay? And so for gas, we're gonna put $60. And that is $30 each fill up, which it still has been working. If I plan everything right the way that I try to go shopping at Kroger's first, and then once I go shopping, then I'll go get some gas, and then that way I have the points added up and I save no matter what. So right now I think I'm at like 20 cents. I was at 30 the other day, so I'm at like 20 cents. But going to the grocery store will probably add to that. So I'm just going to put $60 there. Okay, so for eating out, I am still at $50. And I think I might be doing a pretty good job of that, eating out, but it's usually just my lunch, and I've decided that this week I'm gonna take my lunch all week, so we're gonna see how that goes, and then that extra will be for the next week. So there's $50 in there. Okay, and then we have our household, and our household is $50 as well. And I think this is working out really good as far as $50 for the household. I am having enough money to bulk buy toilet paper or tissue and get some Tide and everything within that $50. So it's working out really good for me. I don't think I'll change that, especially because sometimes I don't use all of that, and so it just kind of filters over. And whenever I need like to really stock up on Tide because it could be a sale, then that money is there. Okay, so my personal care is $60. Okay, 20, 40, 60, and I may be increasing this only because I want to, there are some things that she does, my new nail tech does, that I want to get done, and I want to make sure that I have enough to tip her within this, so that one may be changing, but for now it's just the $60. So we're moving that one up. And then our last one is our entertainment. So anytime we go on a date night, any planner things that I want to buy or purchase will come out of this. So if I buy planner stuff and it's a movie night or something like that, or something I want to do, I just can't do it because I've already spent my money. So and that is just $50 that we put in there. And I really loved it that 1 month I had saved up. I didn't use any of that money, and so it just went over into my to the next month, and I ended up going out somewhere. It was a concert or something, but anyways, the money was there and it was awesome to have. So I definitely like that. Okay, so here we go. We have our entertainment, personal care, household, eating out, gas. I know that gas is like really ugly, and groceries, and I'm really happy with that. So the rest of this money would be going into my sinking funds, so I'm going to just put that over there so I can deposit that into my sinking funds. So yes, here is my cash envelopes for this month. Let me know what cash envelopes you guys are using, and if you guys are interested, there will be a link down below so you can grab these. They are printables that you can print at home. Just use a little bit thicker cardstock than, it's not as thick, but it's not as thin either. It's like middle-sized cardstock. I don't think I have any with me, but that's what I use to keep it sturdy, and they lasted for, let's see, January to July. I'm just now changing them, and I don't think they were like totally bad. I just wanted to kind of update them. So I will have that link below for Little Miss Fancy Plans down below. Thank you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next one. Mwah! KK, bye! Watch the breakdown.